Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap the connection and sharing. Here you'll see NFC section, and just to activate NFC option we should tap on the switcher, and to turn it off we should use the switcher once again. If you want to change the default payment up, if you get just another one, because I got only the Google Pay so I can do that, but if you'll get one more you can just select your more from these available applications. Also, we got one more way how we can activate a turn off NFC. First, we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that, we'll find somewhere here NFC icon. Just to turn it on or to turn it off, we should click on this NFC switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.